In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset keyboard shortcuts back to default on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Interface. Underneath Keyboard Shortcuts, select where it says Reset Keyboard Shortcuts to Default Values. Select OK, and then next time you start up GIMP, it will reset it back to default. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.